sky is getting dark and the clouds are moving in. When the storms of life fill our hearts with pain, just let the Savior in. For when we trust in Him, He will lead us beyond the rain. Beyond the rain, there'll be no more dying, no more crying, no more pain. When we put our lives in the hands of Jesus, He will lead us beyond the rain. We live our lives alone and try to make it on our own. Still the heartache and emptiness remain. But if we hold on to God's hand, He will lead us to a land where the sun will always shine beyond the rain. The rain, there'll be no more dying, no more crying, no more pain. When we put our lives in the hands of Jesus, He will lead us beyond the rain. The battle has been won. God gave His only Son to fulfill the promise of His name. And if only we believe, oh, what a gift we will receive to live with Jesus beyond the rain, beyond the rain. Be no more dying, no more crying, no more pain. When we put our lives in the hands of Jesus, He will lead us beyond the rain. Yes, He will lead us beyond the rain.